Thomas and the Magic Railroad 2000 VHS. Here's the front, the spine, and the back. Thomas is a magical railroad. Coming soon to video.
There's nothing in this world I like more than the sound of the trumpet of the swan.
Based on the book by E.B. White, the author of Stuart Little, and from the co-director of The Fox and the Hound and The King and I, comes an all-new animated classic.
A son?
They named him Louis.
After my father, Louis. And his father, Louis. My son is destined to be the greatest of all the trumpeters.
There was just one problem.
He can't talk.
If you can't talk, you can't play.
This child cannot be ours. Someone must have switched the eggs.
But for every challenge,
I must find my son a voice.
there is a solution.
May the hills echo with your new voice.
And now, a swan named Louis is about to become a star.
Put your hands together for Louis, the trumpeter swan.
TriStar Pictures invites you to share all the fun and join Jason Alexander, Reese Witherspoon, Mary Steenburgen, Seth Green, with Carol Burnett and Joe Montana, and with music performed by Little Richard. In a classic animated adventure for the whole family. About the special voice inside all of us.
That is dying to come out.
Based on the book by E.B. White, the author of Stuart Little, it's one of the most beloved stories of all time. Trumpet of the Swan.
Get that on the internet.
Now available on home video.
All aboard!
From the Children's Television Workshop, the creators of Sesame Street, and the Columbia TriStar Television Group, comes a new television show that will have you flying, singing, laughing, and more. Introducing Dragon Tales.
Yeah!
The animated series where friendly dragons take you along on their exciting adventures. Join Ord,
Yummy!
Cassie,
My talent is being a good helper.
and Zach and Wheezy, along with their friends Emmy and Max, as they explore a wonderful place called Dragonland.
There's Rainbow Canyon.
You'll meet lots of new characters and find ways to do things you never thought you could do. You won't believe how much fun discovering new things can be.
Good job, Matt.
Each new adventure also includes Dragon Tunes, a musical sing-along that will have you and your friends singing away. So come join the magic and fun of Dragonland by tuning in to Dragon Tales on PBS.
See you later.
I've got this mouse at home I can't eat.
Sensitive stomach?
He's a member of the family. Want to be friends? No.
Okay then, Stuart Little is getting a new family.
A mouse with a big cat! Raw, you lily-livered bird dog. That's it. Mouse boy?
The fur is gonna fly.
Get him!
Go pop him right now.
We do not eat family members.
Stuart Little, rated PG. Madeline, buy it now on video. The heartwarming classic you love
Wait, wait!
has come home to delight the entire family. Madeline, rated PG. Buy it now on video, cassette, and DVD.
They
have a new attitude. Cool. A new look. A a new breed of Muppets.
I'm an alien!
Muppets from space.
No nostrils. How do you smell?
Awful. Trust me, I'm his roommate.
Rated G.
Elmo is landing on video. Now you can take off with Elmo on a big adventure that you can watch on video whenever you want.
Sounds like fun.
The Adventures of Elmo in Grouchland, now on video and DVD. Rated G.
Only for Columbia.
Something smells good on video.
Oh, hi.
He's very friendly.
You're just in time. It's so good to see you. Come on in.
He's very talented.
I sure do love to cha-cha-cha.
He's Bear in the Big Blue House. Join Bear and his friends Pip and Pop, Ojo, Tutter, Trilo, and Luna.
I'm the moon.
And make learning a treat. From Jim Henson Television, Bear in the Big Blue House. He's what's fun on video.
Oh, only for Columbia.
Hop on board for reading fun with Thomas and Friends. From early readers to classic stories, kids are always on the right track to reading and learning with Thomas books for every age. Look for these and other best-selling titles wherever books are sold and take off on a fun-filled reading adventure with Thomas.
Only for Columbia. FBI warning. Sound. Columbia. Sisters. Columbia, I don't know if this presents 1%. Red Outcrop film. Feature from the